friends, good morning. In today's video, I'm going to show you DIY aloe vera gel. Step 1. We need 2 aloe vera leaves. Step 2. Remove the thorns using knife. Step 3. Split the leaf using knife. Step 4. Scoop out the gel into blending jar. After scooping out all the gel part from the leaves, this is what I've got into the blending jar. It's almost in liquid consistency. Step 5. Add 2 vitamin E capsules. To store it for 3 weeks, I'm using lemongrass oil as it has got good antibacterial properties. Step 6. Add 4 to 5 drops of lemongrass oil. After adding everything, step 7. Blend it for 5 seconds. After blending it for 5 seconds, this is how it looks. Now take a clean storage jar. Using a strainer, filter the gel from blender to the jar. There you go. Close the lid and refrigerate it for 1 hour and start using. After 1 hour, this is a bit different from a store-bought gel, yet it's perfect to use. Right now I'm applying it on my hand. That's it. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.